Hi guys! If you're part of the medical field, I've got one important question for you. Why haven't you stepped into the world of hair transplants yet? Hair transplantation isn't just a job. It's a high demand, high reward profession with real growth and real result. We're talking serious income, instant client satisfaction, and endless potential. Unlike many traditional medical jobs, there are no night shifts, no ER stress, and no burnout here. You already have the foundation, medical knowledge, hygiene, steady hands, so why not take the leap? If you're ready to change your future, the time is now. Hair transplantation isn't just a skill, it's a serious step toward financial freedom and personal success. Want to know how to get started? Links in the description. Don't wait. Your new future starts today.